Hi everyone. Today try to change the bumper out. Only bumper today. So next time I will try to change this light out. So let's get started. 10 millimeter. So this is the other side. That's one, two. Another one. I'll remove it out already. Then the last one. And the other one's right there. So total 1, 2, 3. It's about 4 from the bottom. All right, I will show you guys one to take it out. There. There you go. Yeah, this second one from the bottom. There it is. There. Let's move on to the other side. Got 2 screws. The last one. There she is. Hopefully can help someone out there, save a couple bucks. Thanks for watching. See you next clip to change this one out.